I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make toffee juice. We'll create a delightful toffee-flavored drink from scratch. You'll need just a few simple items to get started. We'll combine 1 cup of water with half a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. Also, grab about 1/2 cup of toffee bits and a tiny bit of almond extract. It's an easy process to bring this sweet treat to life. First, let's get our toffee syrup base going. In a medium saucepan, combine your 1 cup of water, half cup of granulated sugar, and half cup of brown sugar. Stir these together until they start to dissolve. Then, add in your 1/2 cup of toffee bits. Place the pan over medium heat, stirring gently and continuously. You want the mixture to simmer, not boil, for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your syrup has simmered for about 5 to 7 minutes, remove it from the heat. Now it's time to add that special touch of flavor. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. This really enhances the toffee taste. Next, and this is important for a smooth drink, strain the warm syrup through a fine mesh sieve. This removes any undissolved toffee pieces, leaving you with a perfectly smooth, rich syrup. Now that you have your delicious toffee syrup, it's time to enjoy your toffee juice. You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of this rich syrup to your favorite hot or cold beverages. It's wonderful in coffee, delightful in iced tea, or even mixed with sparkling water for a refreshing treat. Store any leftover syrup in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 1 month. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.